Dreaming of renovating your space but unsure where to start? Let's dive into a head-to-head battle, Planner 5D versus Floorplanner, to find the ultimate home design champion for your project. First up, Planner 5D. Known for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, it's perfect for beginners. With a huge library of furniture and decor, you can easily visualize your dream home. Experimenting with different styles and layouts. Note the user-friendly controls for adjusting sizes and colors. It's super easy to get started without prior experience. Now, let's look at Floorplanner. This platform is more geared towards professional designers. It offers precise 2D and 3D floor plans, allowing you to input exact dimensions and create detailed layouts. Notice the tools for drawing walls, adding doors and windows, and specifying materials. This level of detail is great for accurate planning and communicating with contractors. When it comes to visuals, both offer impressive rendering capabilities. Planner 5D creates vibrant, stylized renderings that are great for getting a feel for the overall design. Floorplanner, on the other hand, leans towards photorealistic renderings, providing a more accurate representation of the final result. Consider your priorities when choosing between visual styles. Need to collaborate with others? Floorplanner excels in this area, offering robust collaboration features that allow multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously, while Planner 5D also has sharing options. Floorplanner provides more advanced tools for teamwork. If you're working with a team, Floorplanner may be the better option. So, which one is right for you? If you're a beginner looking for an easy and visually appealing tool, Planner 5D is a great choice. If you need precise planning, photorealistic renderings, and robust collaboration features, Floorplanner is the way to go. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your individual needs and skill level. Happy designing!